I have you ever wondered where the term jerk originated from? In 1655, the maroon slaves in Jamaica decided to run away from the British soldiers. They decided to run into the forest, the wild. So they come up with a method where they're going to need ingredients to preserve their meat. So they decide to use the Scotch bonnet and the pimento seeds. Scotch bonnet and pimento seed is the essential ingredients to the Jamaican jerk. So today I'm gonna jerk some Jamaican jerk chicken. I'm Chef Fitzy. Let's go around the back and jerk some chicken.
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible. Believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river.
So traditionally, anywhere you go in Jamaica and you see any of these homemade jerk pans, them always jerking something. Yeah, as you can see, this is the original way, how we creative. As you can see inside here. Alright, so we're using the original pimento wood to jerk our chicken. Alright, also using a few of the pimento coal to jerk our chicken. So we are putting in our chicken, as you can see, to start the jerking. Alright, so a lot of persons started to invent their style of jerking where they probably pre-cook their chicken and then just to eliminate the time for the chicken to jerk. So normally the chicken take over an hour and a half, an hour and 30 minutes to jerk. But if you pre-cook it, you still probably take about 45 minutes to jerk. Alright, so as you can see, we're using the wood with the coal just to get all of that flavor, that ingredient, aroma that you're looking for. You can basically turn your chicken. Right there. Alright, so one of our main ingredients when we're jerking chicken is a beer. You can use Jamaican mainly use their red stripe beer when they're doing the jerk, and they basically help, as you can see, help it to tenderize the meat to give it that aroma that you're looking for. Alright, so we're going to cover down our chicken for all of that pimento wood, all of that smoke from the chicken, smoke from the wood, to basically go into the chicken, because the smoke is basically one of that give it that flavor. Alright, so we're going to cover down our chicken and allow it to continue jerk. As you can see, here are some of the chicken that we jerked early on. Yeah, I'm ready, where we can basically go ahead and share them out. So jerk chicken can eat basically with anything. Alright, so there are some of the chicken that we jerked early on. So we're gonna continue work on the rest in the drum there, and then you're gonna see how best it look. So in this we have some of the seasoning that we take from the jerk chicken. We're gonna basically spray it over the chicken, that it absorbs into the chicken and keep it moist and tender and nice. Alright, so the chicken continue to jerk. This is one of the most easy, authentic way to jerk chicken. Alright guys, our chicken is eating to that perfection look that we're looking for. Alright, so let's add a little more beer. Yeah, the beer Let's jump those chicken. Look at how beautiful that is. Yeah, man. Can't jerk without your beer. Guys, so as you can see, our jerk chicken is ready. Look at how beautiful. Look at the color. Look at how nice it looks. Yeah, man. So we're going to remove them. And then we're going to go ahead and cut it up and let you guys see it. Beautiful. And there you have it, guys. Your Jamaican jerk chicken. Make easy in the Fitzy kitchen. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Continue to subscribe to Chef Fitzroy Needham on YouTube, on Instagram, also on Facebook. Jerk chicken, I'm out. Love you.
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river.